That does not sound good, bro.
Good to go. You're good. Good to go.
Stop, Brandon.
2,000 years later.
That's the best feeling in the world. Man. So, fast forwarding to today. I made a whole video yesterday explaining what went wrong with the Mazda, how bad of an experience it was with the Mazda dealership, and as I'm watching the video I just realized I'm just complaining so much, and I don't even want to upload it because I can't even upload the dash cam footage. I can't really show you guys what went wrong, and it's just a bunch of complaining. I feel like it's just useless at this point because the car's fixed, and that was the main goal. So I will say this, I 100% understand why they call them dealerships. I went to Furman Mazda, and that place, I mean, they gave me a loaner vehicle, which was cool, but other than that, the only thing that they were very consistent with was with line. Yeah, just very consistent with line, and now I know why people don't go to dealerships and why they call them dealerships and all that stuff. So terrible experience. So now let's just fast forward like a month later. I take it to a local shop. The mechanic's like, hey, you know what, let me just take a look at it. He'll do it for free. Like he did, he looked at the car for free, which was awesome. Helped me out there. Kind of stuck like a camera in there because cylinder 2 was completely dead, zero compression. You can see it in this video here. Cylinder 1 was fine, that one was actually working, but cylinder 2 for some reason just zero. So that really scared the crap out of me. And then finally he sticks the camera in there and he was able to find that there was like this thing right here. I don't know if you can see it. This little washer was stuck in between the valves. I don't know how, but somehow it happened, and because of that the valves weren't closing and zero compression, car wasn't working, car wouldn't run. I mean, it turned on, you heard that in like that clip I showed in the beginning of the video. It sounded crazy, but yeah, that was literally it. There was this washer thing stuck in the valves. Anyway, he was able to get it out. I feel like I'm extremely fortunate because I really thought, again, that it was going to be so severe that I had to get like a new motor or get like machine work done, just something, right? But I lucked out. I can drive the car. I've been driving around everywhere, no check engine lights. Had to put a new battery in because it was just gone. But other than that, the car is great. So, man, I just want to shout out to everybody who was constantly trying to help me, message me, support, all that stuff, because a lot of ideas, a lot of people just trying to help, especially I can't think of his name, the guy, he does Mazda sauce, the Mazda sauce tune, and that dude has been very consistent with trying to help. So shout out to him. I'm gonna drop his Instagram and his YouTube, and he's actually gonna be reviewing the log for my car to see how it's running now, and we're gonna go from there. So that might be another video. And I'm also going to be making a video about the wheels because I did paint them a different color, which I guess it doesn't really need a video, but I'm just going to do it anyway because I want to. Man, again, thank you guys for all the support. If you have any questions or if there's anything that I left out, you know what to do. Leave a comment, I'll answer it. But yeah, man, that experience sucked. I'm just happy to have my car back. Again, any questions, drop a comment below. And I'll see you in the next video.